too close. Hold up, I'm starting a fire.
Hi everyone, today you'll be watching me climb the second highest mountain in Britain, Ben Macdui, and also we'll be climbing Cairn Gorm. According to Walk Highlands, this walk should take between 6 to 8 hours and it starts at the Cairn Gorm ski resort. You will want to stay till the end of the video because we get some really good views from both the Munros. But now, let's get into the video. We did have a really cold day with it being below zero at the top, but the clouds were high enough that you can see some really good views. I am trying a new format with less music, so when there's actually GoPro audio, I'm cutting out the music, so let me know in the comments down below if you prefer this sort of format or if you prefer the old format. I feel like this sort of style immerses you more in the video, but like I said, let me know in the comments down below whether to keep it like this or change back to the old format. So we've now finished the main ascent of the walk and now we just have a gradual incline all the way to Ben Macdui. So, Munros we've got over here. I had to meet this bit because I got them all wrong. So, the first one is Cairn Tool, the second one is Scuron Lochain Ewan, and the last one was Brady. And they're the ones we did as a trio when we went through the Layer of Grew. So now we're just at the plateau bit, when we're just waiting to come up to the big bit of Ben Macdui just now. So we're at the Y crossroads where we'll be coming back down this way.
Hold me close, but I don't let you inside. Love you too much to always be that way. I wanna be close to you, but I can't.
And then there's just a last little push to get to the top of Ben Macdui.
So instead I fall down, find me in a haystack. Now there's no way to bring me home. You gotta learn how to let go.
And that's the top there where I'm pointing.
Break you down when I'm crashing. Don't come too close. Hold up, I'm starting a fire.
But we ended up getting to the top of Ben Macdui in just over 2 hours and 45 minutes. And I would say the halfway point for this one is when you go back down to the Y junction and then you're about halfway done the journey. We are now at the Y junction where you split off, and this point is about the halfway mark of the trip. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thanks. Having some snow on the mountain tops does make them look even nicer than they normally look. So we managed to reach the top of Cairn Gorm in bang on 5 hours. On the way down the side of Cairn Gorm, I had the ropes on the path, and I think this is because for the skiing, the ski lifts only go up halfway and then you have to walk up to the top if you want to ski down Cairn Gorm. And there was loads of ice stuck to the ropes, so I was just having some fun taking it all off. On the map, we're now a quarter of the way down Cairn Gorm and we're at the cafe bit for the skiers, but unfortunately it was closed. But I think they only open when all the skiing's on. We did notice quite a lot of construction work going on at the ski centre just now, but we ended up getting back down after 5 hours and 54 minutes. So we were just a few minutes under the predicted time. Right, now, let's get into some stats. As previously mentioned, Ben Macdui is the second tallest Munro in Scotland, and it stands at 1,309 metres. And Cairn Gorm is the sixth tallest, standing at 1,244 metres. The total walking distance is 18 kilometres or 11.2 miles. But because you start at 600 metres, the total ascent was only 1,000 metres. And thanks for watching the video, I'll see you in the next one.